Welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Baby Trend Easy Lift Plus Infant Car Seat in Dash Black, designed with both parents and babies in mind. This innovative car seat features a built-in ergonomic grip, allowing for an easy lifting technique recommended by chiropractors, and it weighs less than 8 pounds, making it perfect for effortless carrying and lightweight mobility. The handle of the car seat doubles as an anti-rebound bar, providing an extra layer of safety by limiting rotation in the event of a collision. The base is equipped with a flip-foot recline and a bubble level indicator, ensuring you achieve the perfect angle for your little one's comfort and safety. Plush seating offers superior comfort, keeping your baby cozy during every ride. With these thoughtful features, the Baby Trend Easy Lift Plus Infant Car Seat is an excellent choice for parents seeking convenience, safety, and comfort in one stylish package. Don't miss out on giving your baby the best travel experience with this exceptional car seat. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.